How to look after your beard or mustache. Facial hair is somewhat different in makeup than the hair on your head. Therefore, caring for your beard requires a totally different regime. Your first priority is always the cleanliness of your beard or mustache. Some people use a normal shampoo as part of their daily grooming. This may suit some, but certainly not everybody, as they can be very drying, and sometimes lead to mild dandruff or flaking. The current vogue for male facial hair has created a whole raft of alternative products, some good, some not so good. A beard shampoo should help to thicken and condition, not just wash your facial hair. Beard oil. Choose a beard oil containing natural oil as its core ingredient. There is no need for high or complicated chemicals or parabens to strengthen or add luster to your beard or mustache. As a rule of thumb, coconut, sweet almond, cedarwood, and argan oils are all fine for most beards. Gray beards. If you have a gray beard or mustache, it will normally be more coarse than a full-color beard, so a softening shampoo may be the answer. Try a quality beard oil. This will help smooth and condition the hair. Also, it may be worth investing in a decent beard comb. Trim your beard regularly for best appearance. To avoid that chopped-off look under the chin, graduate the hair from the chin to the neck. Nothing looks more weird than a straight line 2 or 3 inches below the chin. You probably won't thank me for this if you have a long, bushy beard. The truth is, you need to crop it from time to time. All skin flakes and the skin hiding under your beard is no exception. Even when you brush a long beard, there is no escaping the fact that the lower part of your beard is effectively dead, or at least in very poor, lifeless condition. In the same way that trees shed their leaves and come back stronger, so will your beard. Take it right back, shampoo and brush it, then see the difference. Last, but certainly not least, use a little aftershave or cologne, not too much, as it lingers in the beard as well as the skin. If you enjoyed this post, please leave a thumbs up. It helps us to continue making good info vids.